It's a warm and breezy afternoon across the valley. Temperatures even now still at 93 in Rio Grande City. The rest of the valley back in the 80s. The impact of the last front pretty much behind us, but another front is on its way. And by this time tomorrow, temperatures will be a whole lot cooler than what we're showing you right here. Wind gusts this afternoon have been relatively strong, 20 to 30 miles an hour across the area, stronger at the coast. And that's bringing warmer, more humid air into the region, warmer, more humid air that will be here until that next front comes in. Now you look at your dew points and they are way up as well after being down in the 40s for a couple of days. We'll put the average on the muggy meter at about 60, so we're kind of transitioning from comfortable back up onto the low end of muggy, but it's not going to last long because tomorrow afternoon that front comes in and it changes everything. Now tonight, mid 60s for lows across the area under pretty much clear skies, and then tomorrow front's knocking at the door. We'll warm up into the low 80s early, and then probably shortly after lunchtime that front moves west to east across the valley. Could trigger a brief shower. It'll turn windy and it'll turn cooler with temperatures falling into the 60s by late afternoon and then to the low 60s by the end of your football games tomorrow night. So a chilly night for football with that north breeze. It'll feel cooler than it is. Tomorrow we'll reach 82 pre-front and then drop into the 60s. Saturday we're going to start probably in the 40s it looks like and warm back to a high of only 70, which means it takes all day to get there. 40s and 50s in the morning, 60s most of the afternoon. About 3 o'clock or so, we should touch that high of 70, then it'll start dropping again. And then Sunday, pretty similar, maybe 5 degrees warmer, but that's about it. Now, satellite showing absolutely nothing overhead today. Skies have been mainly clear once again. Future Track says it stays that way most of the night and most of tomorrow until that front comes in. By midday, the front's knocking on the door, could be triggering isolated showers. I think the best chance will be in the coastal counties, and see, even at that, we're only looking at about 20%. But by 8 o'clock, the front's through. It's breezy, it's cool, maybe some leftover clouds, and maybe a leftover shower near the coast, but that will push on out. And after that, skies clear out again. And Saturday just looks breezy, chilly, and very, very nice with a lot of sunshine, but certainly a cool day. Again, a high no warmer than about 70. Some places may not get out of the 60s. Rain chances stand at about 20% for tomorrow. Then we're dry Saturday and Sunday. Rain chance comes back for the middle part of next week. Big picture across Texas shows mainly clear skies across the state, even with the front in the state. You can tell that when you look at temperatures, 63 in Dalhart, but 84 in Abilene. But that front is pushing southward. It'll make its way toward the valley. And again, you wake up in the morning, probably still warm and somewhat humid. Then the front comes through. It turns windy and much cooler. Clouds linger for a while, but by Saturday morning, the clouds should be gone. So we should see plenty of sunshine with a very cool day on Saturday. Plenty of sunshine with another cool day on Sunday. We move forward to Monday. That high starts to move off to the east. Flow comes back around to the southeast. And by Tuesday, when that next front, it's a dying front, but when that gets into the neighborhood, it brings yet another chance of a few showers late Tuesday into Wednesday. So tonight, mainly clear, still breezy at the coast. Most of the valley, southeast 5 to 15, a little gustier than that at the island. Then tomorrow, windy, turning cooler in the afternoon, a high of about 82, but temperatures will fall into the 60s once that wind shifts tomorrow afternoon. So 82 and falling tomorrow, 70 on Saturday, 75 on Sunday, and then we're back in the 80s for the rest of the forecast period, but there is about a 30% chance for some showers on Halloween and again on Wednesday. We'll keep an eye on all that, especially for next week, and we'll talk more about the chilly weekend coming up with an update just a little bit later on. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.